Hello students, welcome to my channel Online Biology Tutorials. Here is a shout out for Tia Gujar. You have well attempted all the questions that were asked in the previous video. Thank you. Keep on watching videos like this and keep on participating. We are on chapter number 5, the fundamental unit of life, and here in this video we will be talking about two types of transport which are a part of plasma membrane. One is active and the other one is known as passive transport. These terms are very important for Olympiad, and even they can come in your home examination. Remember, whenever we talk about down the concentration always means from higher to lower concentration. To remember what is active and what is passive, you need to know that whenever we are talking about down the concentration, down always means higher to lower concentration. Whereas if we are saying that the particles are moving up the concentration, then we want to say that they are moving from lower to higher concentration. Right? Up always means that the particles, they are moving against the concentration gradient, means from lower to higher. Now we will understand this with the help of an example. Suppose I am standing here, okay, this is me, funny me, and this is the slope in front of me, okay, and I am holding a ball and I have thrown this ball from the higher area. Now over a period of time, this ball will automatically come from higher region to lower region. It will come on its own and it will never ever utilize energy. Means energy will not be utilized in this case, right? So whenever the particles, they move from higher to lower concentration, it automatically happens. This is the rule of the nature, right? So such type of transport is being named as passive transport, which does not requires any energy, right? Now let's take another example to understand active transport. Now again, this is funny me and the slope is in front of me. I am standing on the ground side, okay. I have a ball. When I will throw this ball on the slope, then I need to have some force. I need to apply some force, okay. So when I'm applying force, that means I am giving energy from my body to the ball so that it can climb up high. So energy will be given in this case because the ball is moving from lower to the higher side. So this is the rule of nature, that if the particles are moving from lower to higher concentration, this will certainly utilize energy. And whenever we talk about energy utilization, that means we are talking about active transport. So remember, there is always a key term. Active always means utilization of energy, and passive always means no use of energy. Okay? So active means utilization of energy, passive means no utilization of energy, because the particles are moving from higher to lower level, and this can happen on its own. Now plasma membrane, it helps, generally does passive transport, but it may do active transport by using energy. Okay. Now I am asking a question based upon active and passive transport, right? Now suppose I have taken a container, and in this container I have a certain level of solvent. Okay, this is my solvent, and here in the another side I have taken solution. Okay, this is the apparatus that I have taken at the beginning, right? Now after placing for 2 hours, what is my result? I am showing you here. What I see that the level of solution has been dropped down. I am not writing solution because at one of the places I have already written. And this is my solvent level. Now you need to tell me, after seeing this activity, this has been the level. Okay, after 2 hours this has been noticed. So whatever I have given you the case, is it an example of active transport or is it an example of passive transport? So you need to write your answers in the comment as active transport. Either you will write active transport or you will write passive. The students who are giving the correct answers, I am really thankful to them, and I'll be taking your names in the upcoming videos. Stay tuned, do subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon and hit the like button if you have liked the video and understood the concept. In case of any queries, you can reach out to me on the email that is given in the description box. Thank you.